Hello and welcome to the Microsoft Business Application Spotlight Series. I'm Sherief Ibrahim, the General Manager for Business Applications here at Microsoft Canada. And in this series, I get the privilege of speaking with innovative leaders from across the country who share stories on how they're using a digital-first culture to help transform their business. Today, I'm going to be joined by Nikhil Ondia, the Vice President of Customer Service at Mercedes Canada. And he's going to talk a little bit more about how they're using cutting-edge technology like mixed reality to empower their frontline employees to deliver a world-class customer experience. Nikhil, it's great to speak to you again. Do you maybe want to start by telling us a little bit about what this technology is and how it works?
Thank you, Sherief. It's a pleasure to be here. We've introduced what we're calling Mercedes-Benz Virtual Remote Support, which is a powerful mixed reality automotive maintenance system. It allows our service technicians to wear a HoloLens 2 to share their view with remote technical specialists across Canada and even around the world. Working together in this mixed reality environment, they're able to share intricate 3D images, holograms, documents, and instructions to conduct repair work or solve more complex issues. It's truly remarkable technology that has redefined how we service customers and dealers across the country.
That's incredible, Nikhil. What kind of results have you seen already?
The results have really been remarkable. Since we've introduced the service, we've been able to save time, cost, and most importantly, get our drivers back on the road more effectively. Our employees have been exceptionally impressed with the ease of use of Microsoft HoloLens 2 and the video quality of Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. It's made repairs extremely efficient and convenient. Previously, our specialists have had to travel across the country to help in very specialized cases. Now, using this technology, they can collaborate from anywhere.
I love that point about getting drivers back on the road quickly. Now, when we think about automotive maintenance, we don't typically think about digital skills, but clearly when you have a car with more than 100 million lines of code, that becomes pretty imperative. Can you take us through how you're ensuring your employees have the right digital skills in their jobs, especially when you're introducing new technology like this?
That's a great point, Sherief. When introducing new technology, you always have to start with the end user in mind, in this case, our employees. We got ahead of this by ensuring our employees had a variety of training opportunities, resources, and touchpoints to suit their needs. We also established feedback loops at each point of the process to collect ongoing input and work out challenges in real time. We're now implementing these learnings as we look for other opportunities for this technology across our business. We're excited to explore endless possibilities of mixed reality.
Thanks again, Nikhil, for joining us and sharing that story with us today. And thanks for being such a great partner.
It's a pleasure being here. Thank you for having us.
And thanks for those tuning in. And we can't wait to see you at the next Microsoft Business Application Spotlight Series. Take care.